Welcome to Latricia Creates. I am Latricia. In today's video, we're going to create a DTF transfer and press it onto gift bags using our DTF printer. Let's take a look at the materials for this project. For this project, I'm going to use a DTF printer with DTF Ink, film for DTF printing, DTF powder adhesive, a container to put the powder in, some gloves, some eye protection, a heat source. I'm going to use a curing oven. There are other options besides a curing oven if you don't have one. You can use a heat press, a heat gun, a convection oven, or even an easy press. We need a blank. I'm going to be putting my DTF transfers onto these bags. We also need RIP software. I'm going to use the RIP software that came with the printer. There are other RIP software options. I also have CAD-Link that I used for my previous DTF printer, and there's also AquaRip. I'm not sure if there are other ones, but those are the ones that I'm familiar with. The last thing we need is a design. You ready? Let's make it. I'm going to head over to the RIP software to upload my design. I'm in ProRip software. I'm ready to add my image. I'm going to go up here to the top left where this picture is with the plus sign and the mountain. I'm going to click on that to add my image. It's going to take me to my desktop. I'm going to grab my image from the desktop, click on open. It came in large. This is not the size that I want. I'm going to go down here to the bottom, change the size. The size is going to be 5.735. That looks good. Now I'm going to move it over just a tad. And I'm going to copy and paste 3 more flowers. That looks good. Now I'm ready to go back up to the top. Click on RIP. Everything here looks good. I'm going to click confirm. Now it's going to rip. When it gets to 100%, it'll be ready to print. The print is done. Now I'm going to cut it and take it over to get it all powdered up and in the oven for curing. I'm ready to add the powder to the transfer. I have my powder in this sugar container that I got from the Dollar Tree. I'm just going to sprinkle it on here. It comes out in the form of crystals, but once you cure it, it has a different texture. I'll show you that once I'm done curing it. Now I'm just going to shake the powder on to make sure every part is covered. I'm going to shake off all the excess. This is what it looks like. Very vibrant. It is so beautiful. Now I'm going to put it in the oven to cure it. Then I'll show you what it looks like once it's cured. The transfer is nice and cured. This is what it looks like. It has a shiny, glossy texture to it, kind of like an orange peel. Now that I have it ready to go, I'm going to cut it up and I will meet you at the heat press. I'm at the heat press ready to press the design. I am going to press it at 320 degrees for 40 seconds using medium pressure. It's all done. It is a cool peel, so I'm going to cool it off, remove the transfer, bring it back, and press it for an additional 10 seconds, 10 to 15 seconds. It's all cooled off. Now I'm ready to remove the transfer. Now I'm going to take it back to the heat press, press it for an additional 10 to 15 seconds, then we'll be all done. I'm back at the heat press for the final press. Put my parchment paper back on there. Press it for about, I'm going to do 12 seconds. And here we have it, our final press. Here's a closer look at the final project. I think it came out pretty nice. It has a little 3D look to it. The one issue I had is that it changed the color of the bag. The original color of the bag was pink, and it kind of changed it just a little bit. It looks more like a salmon color to me. But other than that, I think it came out pretty good. I hope you are able to make some as well, and I hope you got something out of this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, keep creating.